This will be the note name video for learning notes of the treble clef. So please sing along with me. This is for treble clef lines. Every good boy does fine is the phrase for treble lines. Every good boy does fine is the phrase for treble lines. Every good boy does fine is the phrase for treble lines. Okay, and if you look at that, remember you have your portable staff. So you have E for every, G for good, B for boy, D for does, and F for fine. Do that with me. E for every, G for good, B for boy, D for does, F for fine. And when you look at it on the staff, E for every, G for good, B for boy, D for does, F for fine. And then you can do some practice with Staff Wars and or the flashcards. Okay, for the spaces, we have face for treble spaces, space for treble spaces, space for treble spaces, space for treble spaces. Okay, and you use just the word face. You always have to go from the bottom to the top or you will not get anything right except for B for boy. So we have F, A, C, E. F, A, C, E. And notice that the notes are in between the lines, so that's in the spaces. The other notes have the line going through them. And we say treble because this is a treble clef. The other name for this clef is G clef because the loopy thing goes around the G for good line. Okay, and that's why it's called treble clef. Okay, so when you go above and below the staff, then we had the warm-ups that went like this. Forward above from F for fine, backwards below from E for every. And when we're saying forward above, we're saying forward in your musical alphabet. The musical alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So for treble clef, you're going forward from F for fine because that's the top line. So you have F, then the next space is G, then the line going through it is A, above that line is B, and above there is C. When you see them on the test, you're going to name them individually. So you're going to have to go like, if this is F, this space is G, so this note is A. If we go over here to C, the top line is F for fine, so this space is G, this line is A, this space is B, so this note is C, and that's the way that works. Then you have backwards below from E for every. So you have to go backwards in your musical alphabet from E for every. So I have written up here E, D, C, B, A. Let's practice saying that together. Say it with me. E, D, C, B, A. If we kept going backwards further, you would go G, F, E, D, C, B, A, and etc. All right, so if this is E, you go backwards one from E is D, and this is what D looks like. Go backwards another, C, backwards another B, backwards another A, backwards another G. When you see them individually, if you go E for the line, D for the space, C for the line, and then this note is B. Notice that one ledger line and below is B, one ledger line and above is also B. That's one that we flip upside down on the flash cards to make that. Okay, so let's practice singing our silly warm-ups together. Let's do the above and below. We're going to sing it several times, so sing with me. Forward above from F for fine, backwards below. Do it again. Forward above from F for fine, backwards below. One more time. Forward above from F for fine, backwards below. When we go backwards below, so if we go, oh, I should have said backwards. Okay, let me do that again. Forward above from F for fine, backwards below from E for every. Again, forward above from F for fine, backwards below from E for every. E, D, C, B, A, G. All right. Staff Wars on your iPads. Every 7th grader should have Staff Wars on your iPads, and set the settings on that for about 4 above the staff and 4 below the staff. You can get somebody to show that. I'll try to show you in class if you don't know, but you guys are so technological, I bet you can figure it out. And choose treble clef, the one that looks like this. Choose treble clef, and let me know what your high score is. Make sure if a sub is here today that you tell her what your high score is and actually show her so she can write it down. Thank you, and work very hard.